Welcome to Armstrong Elevators. As you can see, we are in one of our clients' lift to make maintenance, to put the lift in proper condition, proactive and preventive maintenance. This is a panoramic lift. It's a glass lift. They call it panoramic lift. As you can see, the board is being dusty. Here is blower for us to use in blowing it. So before you blow, you need to put off everything so that it will not cause short circuit. So right away, we're about to switch off everything. As you can see, everything is being off. This is the fan. It's a machineless, roomless machine. It doesn't have machine room. This fan is to blow the panel, and this two other one is the extractor, as you can see. So we are here to do some maintenance, to clean up and do the needful. This is the drive. You see how dusty it is. Here is the inspection box, which you can use to operate it manually from the panel. These are the contactors. As you can see, this is the transformer. I'm showing you through the panel. So we need to blow it off in order for it to look clean. I believe you can see. And this is the lift itself. It's panoramic lift. Just to show you through, it's a glass lift called panoramic lift. And this is because they wouldn't want people to use any object to break the glass. So it's more or less like an obstruction. You can't take in wheels into the lift. So just for us to introduce to you this other kind and part of lift. Its own is not in the machine room, and that's the reason why it has these fans, the blowing fan and the extractor. This extract the heat and this will cool it, unlike the machine room that will have AC. Thank you. Subscribe to Armstrong Elevators on our YouTube channel, and you can always comment so that we'll relate back to you. Any question you need, we'll respond to you. Thank you.